With Apple's next generation AirPods 3 expected to be introduced this fall, you're probably wondering what new features will be included, which is what I'll explain right now. So the biggest change you can expect to see is a completely new design, with many elements borrowed from the more expensive AirPods Pro, like a wider charging case and shorter stems on the earbuds themselves. But unlike the AirPods Pro, this model still won't feature removable silicone ear tips. Now that may be disappointing to some, but there are benefits to this approach. As before, these standard AirPods won't have to be pushed deep into your ear canal for a tight fit. Instead, they'll sit on the outside of your ear, which may be more comfortable for many users. This design choice also means a smaller charging case, since it doesn't have to accommodate the headphone plus its ear tips like with the AirPods Pro. There's also going to be a new wireless chip included with AirPods, which should increase battery life and allow audio components to be integrated, allowing for a more compact design. AirPods 3 is also likely to adopt pressure sensors on the stem for audio control, which means you'll be able to press the stem to play and pause, press twice to skip, long press to trigger Siri, and more, rather than tapping the earbud to control audio like on previous generations of AirPods. The new model will be available in white with no color options, but the good news is its price is likely to remain the same, $160 for the standard charging case and $200 for a wireless charging case. Manufacturing of AirPods 3 is reportedly kicking off in August, with their release expected sometime this fall. This is Greg with Apple Explained. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.